G-I-T-I. What's up, party people? Welcome to Fresh. I'm Jarna. I'm a musician and a producer. And you're gonna get to know me a little bit more. But first, here's what's coming up next on Fresh.
Today we're going to make koko alaisa, a Samoan classic.
And in the diaspora, we don't always have access to koko Samoa, so we're going to show you how you can still deliver the same result, but by using the koko powder.
Today, we're sampling the sounds from the streets of my hood, GI, and finding 5 sound bites to make a beat from in Logic.
So my experience is all self-taught. Never really did well, but I feel like it was just potential that the teachers couldn't see just yet.
I'm not really good on design, but
we can tell.
All right, girls. Remember, the tote isn't just a fried dancer. She represents our school, our villages. Oh, sorry. You actually can't be here? This is just for the tote edition.
We know. We're just watching. Silent support.
This is so exciting. I just love seeing all the culture and the mana. It's about Samoa, Karen, not mana.
Wait, you might as well take your daughters home now. My niece is gonna snatch Twinger this year.
Look at her hands. Perfect. She gets that from me. You know, I was Saupo in high school as well.
That's amazing.
I know. I even competed for Miss Samoa 2001.
Didn't you place 8 out of 9?
Atamai, look alive, huh? Taupo, I mean, it's not ta'alonga practice. Look, smile. Taupo energy.
She's doing so well, don't you think?
For someone who learned for Samoa on YouTube.
You'll want to talk. Weren't you born in Invercargill?
Kalafaisina, I didn't know your daughter had bow legs like you. That's why she says like that.
Sialei, shh. Se falele, eh? Oh my gosh, who are the leaders here?
This is the choreography? Do you think they're gonna be Avondale with this?
Shh. Alo ese.
What does that mean?
That means move away, which honestly, she should. My lo, my. Yeah.
What does that mean?
Do you want to win? She should. Do you want to win? Because at the moment, you're severing like non-comp. Okay, we're not here just for the vibes.
Girls, why are we moving our feet like window wipers? Sit in like your ancestors are watching.
You're all doing a really great job, darlings. Famalose.
You know what? Let me just show you, okay? Leg, handle, spout, bend the knee. We're going to do teapot, dip, lower.
Yes,
dip,
lower.
Dip.
I want to see you bend.
I want to see
for your
some
life.
grace, okay? So I want you to say hi to the universe and goodbye to the universe.
Yeah, wala nga. Se, keep gliding, periodsa, maleulu.
Nice, glide.
Maleulu.
Glide.
Bye. Move your wrists like this.
This one win one her crown.
And this one Litawa her crown. See?
Ladies, be kind. Be kind.
Karen,
Don't forget to say. Don't forget to
wake
say.
up. We
Don't
need
forget
clap in
to
the
say.
middle. I want you to wake up and just tell the whole world.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chin up. Like teapot.
This is so embarrassing.
My uncle doesn't even know Moimona the lion.
Should be the lady ocean sea. Hold me, and I'm just gonna go backwards right now. Hold me, hold me, hold me. Karen, hold. Sorry. Never mind you. Say goodbye. Teapot. Yeah. We weren't finished. Bro. Oh my gosh.
Anyway, so the way that we sit in,
just going to hello to the birds and to the ants.
into the sky.
Hello. So you like water.
Kia ora, I'm Harlim.
Talafalava, I'm Joe, and this is D for Diaspora.
A space that bridges where we originate from and the people in the diaspora.
Today we're going to make koko alaisa, a Samoan classic.
And in the diaspora, we don't always have access to koko Samoa, so we're going to show you how you can still deliver the same result, but by using the koko powder.
So first step, you're going to add 2 litres or 8 cups of water to a pot.
And then second, you want to add a cup of rice.
And now you're going to let that come to a boil, and while we wait for that to boil, we're going to get half a cup of cocoa powder.
Boom.
And to that, you just want to add a little bit of water and make a little slurry out of our cocoa. So keep on mixing it until it comes to a thick paste.
Kind of looks like cake batter. So now you want to add in the cocoa powder slurry into the boil.
Don't waste it, cocoa powder's expensive.
And then you just mix it. Let it all get to know each other.
So once your rice is cooked and your koko alaisas come to a boil,
You want to add 1 cup of sugar. And next you want to add 1 can of coconut cream. Cara preferably. If you know, you know.
here in the diaspora, we can't climb a coconut tree, so we just climb aisle 4 of coals.
There we go. There's the personality coming out.
We're not getting paid enough to be doing personality. No, jokes. Kidding. So once your koko alaisa has gone from dark brown to afakasi looking,
Like me.
you're going to add 2 lime leaves or lemon leaves. If you don't have it, that's okay, you don't have to. And then you're gonna let that come to a boil again, and then we are ready.
Oh, wow. The lemongrass actually makes a huge difference.
Lemon leaves, babes.
Lemon leaves. Potato, potato. So there, guys, there you have it. Koko alaisa diaspora version.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Anytime you can have it.
Anywhere.
After the break, I got you, but stay tuned. Here's what's coming up. So I think that was the main thing, was just actually releasing music, because you can't be in the industry if you don't have any music out.
I have a really keen eye for what captures people.
It looks like he's got a little bit of skill, but not as big as my skill, obviously.
Welcome back to Fresh. I'm Jarna, and I am young, gifted, and brown. We're here today at Te Oro in Glen Innes, which is the hub for all creativeness. This space here is a studio, a music studio, where you can come to record, produce, even film. I love it because it's so quiet in here, but sometimes it's a little bit too quiet. I get scared. Music's been a part of my life since I was young. We always did karaoke with my family on my mum's side, always doing performances for birthday parties and stuff. really enjoy making music. It's like almost therapeutic for me. And when I feel burnt out on, say, writing, I'll just go switch to producing. So it's like, I never get bored. I actually studied at Auckland University for 3 years. I didn't finish either, but I learned a lot. So I did songwriting course there, and producing, you're like writing and making the melodies for the instrumentation, is knowing how to make like a rock song or a pop song, and just knowing what instruments, what sounds, what different drum sounds to use. I have a very unique way of writing. I think it's really cool that I'm not exactly like everyone else. What we need more in this music scene, especially as Pacific Islanders, just collaborating more and being supportive of everyone, not just the ones that are all the way up here. You know, the little guys down here need some love and support as well. I'm going to play a few of my favorite songs that I've produced so far. The first one I'm going to play is called GPS by Irish G.
You are driving in the wrong direction. Heading for a crash, forget the speed limit. I know move too fast.
I loved making it because we incorporated some car sounds.
Put your foot down on the brake, make it stop before we go and break up.
The next song I'm going to show you by an artist called Tehran, and we've been working on his EP, which incorporates the newer language, so that's really cool.
It just takes one call, and I'll come running back for more. So if you wanna make it love, I'll kill you, pick up your single key. Let's fall in love again.
Almost like a disco pop kind of vibe, but it's really bouncy, really fun. Yeah, just trying to reach people, I think, is the hardest thing. Even if I didn't know how to get it out there, just like research or just put it on YouTube to start. So I think that was the main thing, was just actually releasing music, because you can't be in the industry if you don't have any music out. The best advice, don't doubt your talent and don't doubt what you've written. Sometimes you write a bad song, but then that can lead to a better song or the best song you've ever written. Just trusting yourself and not being scared to put yourself out there.
Talo Falawa, my name is Zeus. I am currently 6 foot. I like to explore the wilderness.
Talo Fukoto, my name is Tui. I look 30, but I'm actually 20, and I like long walks on the beach. And welcome to Fresh Glow Up. Glow up for me means something to build, to progress, to make better.
It means you can glow up personality, looks, experience with a tote bag. So I'll be making a beautiful island tote bag for a beautiful woman.
My tote bag is going to consist of my islands, Tuvalu and Tokelau. For any woman out there, they might be intrigued by it. Even though we're in context at the moment, I have a really keen eye for what captures people.
It looks like he's got a little bit of skill, but not as big as my skill, obviously.
3, 2, 1, go!
My aim for my tote bag is just to, embrace my culture. My islands are Tuvalu and Tokelau, and their flags are blue and a bit of yellow. We've got some nice fabrics here. 3 styles, but 3 styles will do.
So my first idea is right now is just gonna do a border, just get everything set in stone. So we got some beads, okay, some furry balls, flowers, yes, definitely use the flowers. So my experience is all self-taught. Never really did well, but I feel like it was just potential that the teachers couldn't see just yet.
I'm not really good on design, but
we can tell.
Okay, you still need to glow up. It's kind of a good thing to know what attracts a woman.
Island girls like to carry a lot of stuff. Makeup for their beauty, straightener for their hair beauty, lipstick for their lip beauty.
It's also good just to keep flowers on hand. If a girl comes up and is like, oh, what's your bag? And you just pull out like this.
This theme is the land of love and the loving of the land. Wow, that's the first stage of our project done. Tui, ketchup.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, don't you worry. 30 seconds. Just this masterpiece right here. We'll be under the moon with these 3 exact stars under us. Oh, sorry, above us.
You're single too, man. Don't remind me, man. How do you think I'm here making this?
The next part, I'm gonna do inspired love hearts.
I think someone's gonna love throwing that in the bin.
Oh, 3 stars. Is that all?
I don't know what he was doing with stars. I think he was just copying me.
Oh, no. He saw me grab the star first and then he grabbed the stars. Don't tell him that, though. We are going to finish this off quickly with a bit of flowers.
Any woman out there, if you want to get to know me, you can look in my bag.
3, 2, 1.
I didn't expect that. I was honestly rooting for Tui. I wasn't, but you know.
To be honest, I thought Zeus had no style. And he actually proved me wrong. But the real winner is who gets the girl with the bag. So, still up for grabs.
Well, here you go, Freshies. Your first glow-up winner.
Stay tuned for more fab, more fire, and more fresh.
This is the only festival in this side of the Pacific that showcases and platforms quality Pasifika content.
Welcome back, everybody. Here's that fab, fire, and fresh I promised you.
This is the only festival in this side of the Pacific that showcases and platforms quality Pasifika content from around the Moana and also overseas. And you're also directly in contact and interact with decision makers and other filmmakers from across the Moana. There's just so much going on, and I believe everyone should take part in this festival.
Felt like the minority amongst the minorities.
Bro, there's more students here at Manireo High than there are people in New Hampshire.
This is actually the place that these explosives were uncovered. 220, I think. It's one of the biggest findings in the city.
Emily Naware is the most renowned Australian artist in the world.
Jarna, let me invite you on our big canoe, and we'll take you back to the ocean.
Granddad left me some land, about 10 acres. Thinking of planting some koko there.
For Kui specifically, it was a priority for us to screen our project here at FIFO because this is our audience. One of our side supporting characters is a Marquesian. And so showcasing a actual Marquesian with Marquesian patutiki and language and music in this film festival just aligned perfectly for us, and I'm glad that they took us in this year.
So my film from the last year and also in the selection of the FIFO of this year, it tells the story of a woman after discovering a book. This woman is transported to the world of dreams. And it's a blend of animation and live-action film.
I realized a short film for the Mini Film Festival. It's a project about my mom and Fa'afaite. It's called Afano Aoi. Afano Aoi, it means sail with new generation, sail for new generation, and I would like to talk about how can we share knowledge and culture about our ancestors and about sailors.
I had a film in 2025 called Te Punaora, The Source of Life. It was a feature documentary that was in competition at FIFO, and it won a prize called the prize Ananhei by France Télévisions. It sets the story of 3 women who are fighting to protect their island home in Moorea, so the island that is just across Tahiti. And towards the end, it shifts towards ocean conservation, and that's the idea that I'm developing right now. I'm doing a new film that is called Moana Nui Ahiva, and it's going to be a series about what is our relationship to the ocean as Polynesians, Melanesians, and Micronesians, and how we can protect our ocean against deep sea mining.
Maru to coming at the FIFO. I hope you enjoy it. I'm Kahura, keeping fresh, and see you next year.
Thanks for having me, Fresh. Hope you've had a great morning. I'm grateful to be here. I'm your host, Jarna, signing out. But before that, let's see what's coming up next week.
What's up, Freshies?
I'm Jalen Rodwell. I'm half Kiwi, half Niuean. My mum was born in Niue, and my dad is obviously from New Zealand.
I brought pancake.
Sometimes it's not that deep.
Yeah. Keep them fresh.